Hi, this is Ambience Creation. That is sector 22 Gurgaon. This is a 2 BHK sample flat. See the entry into the flat, and this is the living and dining in front of me. And this is the kitchen. किचन रहेगा और आप देख सकते हैं कपबोर्ड वगैरह लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे. दिस द कपबोर्ड. All those cupboard fitted. And this kitchen work has been modular kitchen and all. So all those cupboard fittings are there. Then we move into the one bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms. With you have got the attached washroom over here. And you have got the basin with fitted taps and all. And after this, we will move into another bedroom. This is the second bedroom. This is the cupboard space that will be provided. And this is the dining area, as you see. The dressing type of thing over here. This is the outside view. This is the common washroom, you can see. With the shower fitted. Thanks for watching.